It's raining over here. It looks beautiful. And I just heard some thunder in the distance. Back over that way. Hey, Brownie. He ran out there and ran back. You ready to go back inside? We just came out here. Anyway, you can't do anything. You run out there and jump back in here. What are you doing? You didn't want to go that direction because the wind was blowing the rain. Hey, watch it. See? There's more rain coming this way because the wind's blowing it this way. You want to go back inside? Do you want to go back inside? No, you want to run back this way again. Okay. Go back this way. Come on, move. Can't go that far. Okay, now you want to run back this way. What are you looking for, dude? I can't make it stop raining for you. What are you searching for? A place to poop and pee? Well, the ground is wet. Okay, yeah, that's exactly what you're trying to do. Are you going to find a spot? Because you're not coming back inside if that's what you got to do. Unless you do it in your house. In your house. Your cage and everything. Yeah, they have a cat. Dude. Brownie, stop that. They don't have any animals. See, it picked up again. Here. When we go back again, we're going inside, Mr. Man. Rain, rain, rain. We don't need no hail or sleet. We just need rain. Just rain, that's all. Okay. What do you want to do? That water coming off the building down there. Why did they put it like that? You want to go back inside? You do? Okay. Just you go back in your little house because you're not pooping on the floor or peeing on the floor. You got a thing in there where you can do that at. Okay, Mr. Brownie.